Welcome to the Institute of Culinary Education. Founded in 1975, ICE has grown to be one of the largest and leading culinary schools in America, with diploma and associate degree programs that can be taken in person or online. From culinary arts and pastry and baking arts to restaurant and hospitality management, few institutions offer the depth and breadth of culinary education that you'll find at ICE. ICE has been a training ground for more than 18,000 proud graduates, including culinary stars like Gail Simmons, Orlando Soto, Missy Robbins, Shanari Freeman, Mashama Bailey, and Samuel Klontz. Our alumni are a huge source of inspiration at ICE. We are so proud to showcase their achievements across countless and diverse career paths. To offer our students the best possible education, our campuses are located in New York City and Los Angeles, two culinary capitals of the world. Designed with creativity and community in mind, there's no better way to find your culinary voice than at ICE. Enroll today and pursue your culinary career dreams.